Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm excited to be sharing a product release video for the June Trini-Tea 3rd birthday party release. Now let's take a closer look at the brand new Trini-Tea Cup Card Standalone Die Set. If you loved our coffee mug card die set, you will love our new Trinity Cup Card die set. This 10-piece die set creates a fabulous teacup shaped card. Use it as a shaped card or cut it along the score line to use the die cut shape. This die set features embossed detail and accent dies. For added dimension, you can use our 6x9 layered teacup stencil set. Folded, the teacup measures 5.3 inches by 4.1 and will fit in a standard A2 sized envelope. Please note that this die is longer than most at 10.9 inches and would benefit from an extended cutting plate, but it is not necessary to use one. It can be cut partially and then shifted to cut the rest on a standard platform. Now let's make a quick card. I'm basically going to take all of those die cut images and I am going to attach them down to the front of this teacup. And as was mentioned earlier, there is some beautiful embossed lines, so it makes it super easy to line everything up exactly where it needs to go. There really isn't a lot of thought that needs to go into this other than maybe the colors of cardstock that you might use. Next comes the shadow piece. This can be flipped either way as I'm showing you here, so you could actually cut two of them and put it on both sides. You could make it a highlight rather than a shadow if you wanted, and then you can just attach it on either side. I'm just adjusting here and leaving a little bit of the lighter color showing on the left hand side so that it looks like a nice shadow. And then we have the base of our teacup as well. And keep in mind, with any of these pieces, you could add some ink blending to add even more shadowing if you wanted to. So now we'll move on to the little tea bag. I think it's so darling that there's a tea bag. So you could actually have this be a teacup, or you could have it be a coffee cup if you really wanted, but I'm a tea lover, so the tea cup just melts my heart. Now you'll notice with the lemon drop, there is the base as I've cut out there, and then there's also the die that cuts out all the little pieces of a lemon slice. And so I cut those out of two different colors. I'm using that little rind piece as just a guide so that I can put all these little slice pieces inside. And yes, it even cuts out the little seeds. So you could make this into an orange slice, a lime slice for other projects that you might have. But a lemon slice works perfectly for our teacup. And then I'm just going to pull out that inside piece that I used as a guide. Next, I'm going to attach down my tea bag. And then you'll notice that I have a sentiment there. That comes from the Supporting Script Sentiments, one of the brand new stamp sets for this release. And then we'll attach down our lemon slice along with our little mint leaf, which is darling. And then we'll attach our sentiment to the front of it as well. And once that is attached, that will finish off our darling little teacup card. So let's take a closer look at it. And now let's take a closer look at some of the teacup cards that the rest of the design team made. So much creativity. Check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. And thank you so much for coming by, and have a great day.